Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to turn on autocorrect on Google Docs in 2025. If you're tired of typos ruining your documents, this quick guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a student drafting essays, a professional writing reports, or just someone who wants smoother typing, enabling autocorrect can be a game changer. It helps catch spelling errors in real time, saving you time and effort. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Docs open. If you don't have a document ready, go ahead and create a new one by visiting docs.google.com. Once you're in, look at the top menu bar. Click on Tools. That's the key to unlocking your settings. In the drop-down menu, select Spelling and Grammar. This will open a submenu where you can fine-tune your preferences. Look for the Autocorrect option, which might be listed under Suggestions or Automatic Corrections. In the 2025 update, Google has made this even more intuitive, so you should see a toggle switch or checkbox to enable it. Simply click to turn it on. Easy as that. After enabling autocorrect, you might want to explore additional settings, like ignoring certain words or customizing the language. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking OK or Apply. Now, as you type in your document, Google Docs will automatically correct common mistakes. Pro tip: if autocorrect isn't working, double-check your browser settings or ensure you're using the latest version of Google Docs, as updates can sometimes affect features. And there you have it. Autocorrect is now active and ready to help. This simple tweak can boost your productivity and make your writing flawless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.